Do you spend a fortune on cleaning supplies? Cleaning products can be expensive, and it seems like there's a different one for every surface in your home. But what if you could clean your home just as effectively without spending all that money? In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on how to save money on cleaning supplies. We'll show you how to make your own cleaning solutions with common household items, and we'll also share some tips on buying and using cleaning products more efficiently. Number 1, the power of multi-purpose cleaners. First things first, ditch the cabinet full of single-use cleaners. Multi-purpose cleaners can be just as effective for most cleaning tasks, and they'll save you money and storage space. Look for a reputable brand that tackles grease, grime, and everyday messes. You can use it on countertops, appliances, floors, even some bathrooms. Just be sure to test it in an inconspicuous area first to make sure it doesn't cause any discoloration. 2. The vinegar and hot water wonder weapon. For many cleaning tasks, you might not even need a fancy store-bought product. A simple solution of vinegar and hot water is a natural disinfectant and degreaser. It's perfect for cleaning countertops, floors, windows, and even tackling some stainless steel appliances. Plus, it's gentle enough for most surfaces and leaves your home smelling fresh and clean without harsh chemicals. Number 3, bulk up your savings and cleaning power. Instead of constantly buying small bottles of cleaning products, consider buying in bulk and refilling your own spray bottles. This can be a great way to save money, especially on products you use frequently. Look for stores that offer refills for common cleaning supplies like dish soap, laundry detergent, and all-purpose cleaner. You can also buy large containers of cleaning staples like white vinegar and baking soda. By making your own cleaning solutions, you can control the ingredients and often create a more powerful cleaning concoction at a fraction of the cost. Number 4, use common household items for cleaning like lemons and baking soda. Forget the fancy cleaning products with unpronounceable ingredients. Your kitchen pantry might already hold the key to a sparkling clean home. Lemons and baking soda are two powerful cleaning powerhouses that are safe, effective, and readily available. Lemons boast natural antibacterial properties, and their citric acid is a fantastic degreaser. The bright scent adds a refreshing touch to your cleaning routine. Cut a lemon in half and use the juicy side to scrub cutting boards, stainless steel appliances, and even greasy stovetops. For stubborn grime, sprinkle baking soda on the exposed lemon flesh and scrub gently. Rinse thoroughly to avoid any lingering residue. Baking soda is another cleaning champion. This mild abrasive tackles tough stains and odors without scratching delicate surfaces. Make a paste of baking soda and water to scrub away baked-on food on pots and pans. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets and upholstery. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then vacuum for a deep clean that removes dirt and neutralizes unpleasant smells. This trick also works wonders for refreshing mattresses and eliminating pet odors. Number 5, regular cleaning is a money-saving habit. While these tips can save you money on cleaning supplies, the real key to long-term savings is consistency. Letting messes sit and fester can lead to bigger problems down the line, requiring stronger, and often more expensive, cleaning solutions, or even replacements for damaged items. Developing a regular cleaning routine helps prevent these issues. A quick wipe down of spills as they happen, or a daily tidy-up, keeps dirt and grime at bay. This not only saves you money on cleaning products, but also extends the lifespan of your furniture, appliances, and other household items. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your home. By investing a small amount of time each day in keeping things clean, you'll save yourself a significant amount of money and frustration in the long run. So there you have it. With a few simple tweaks to your cleaning routine, you can save money without sacrificing a sparkling clean home. Remember, ditch the single-use cleaners. Embrace the power of vinegar and hot water. Consider buying in bulk and utilize the cleaning powerhouses already in your pantry. Most importantly, consistency is key. Regular cleaning prevents bigger problems and saves money on both cleaning supplies and replacements for damaged items. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving cleaning hacks. and other helpful household tips.